Say hello to the Pro.Gadgets mopping robot from iRobot. And say goodbye to everyday messes. Just press clean. Pro.Gadgets automatically knows what to do. The precision jet spray loosens dirt, while the vibrating cleaning head gently scrubs stains. Pro.Gadgets uses iRobot's advanced navigation software and a full suite of sensors to map and track where it's been, helping it mop in an efficient, systematic cleaning pattern. It keeps going until the whole room is clean. Pro.Gadgets is great for kitchens and bathrooms. It's small enough to work its way into tight spots. It carefully cleans around obstacles, so it won't harm furniture, rugs, or walls. When it's done, simply eject the pad. Your hands never touch the dirt. Pro.Gadgets features 3 cleaning modes. It recognizes the type of cleaning pad and automatically adjusts the way it cleans. Attach a wet mopping pad, and Pro.Gadgets uses a triple pass cleaning motion, precision jet spray, and water-activated cleaning agent to tackle dirt and stains. Attach a damp sweeping pad, and Pro.Gadgets uses a double pass cleaning motion, reduced spray, and water-activated cleaning agent to gently clean everyday dust and dirt. With a dry sweeping pad, Pro.Gadgets traps and locks dust, dirt, and pet hair using a single pass cleaning motion. Pro.Gadgets is great for hard floors like hardwood, tile, and stone, so you can enjoy cleaner floors and a fresher home every day. You, Pro.Gadgets, and iRobot. Better together.
There's a secret about my house. A lot of little monsters live here. But I have a super pet that likes to catch them. His name is Robotic. He has 2 claws and a giant mouth. We like to go on monster hunting adventures. Look, he's going into a forest. Are trying to run away. Go, Robotic! Charge! Shh, follow me. Oh, be careful. Good job! We did it!
Sweetie, I'm home.
For cleaner floors throughout your entire home at the push of a button, meet the iRobot Roomba 900 series vacuum cleaning robot. The power to change the way you clean. The Roomba 900 series vacuum cleaning robot helps you keep up with everyday mess. Thanks to its advanced iAdapt 2.0 navigation system, the 900 series seamlessly navigates an entire level of your home. A full suite of sensors and a visual localization system help the Roomba 900 series map your home as it cleans, so it always knows exactly where it is, where it's been, and where it needs to go next. While its low-profile design enables it to clean under furniture, beneath its calm exterior, the Roomba 900 series cleaning system is hard at work. It automatically increases power on carpets and rugs, delivering up to 10 times the air power for an even deeper clean. The AeroForce 3-stage cleaning system balances the 3 components of effective vacuuming: agitation, brushing, and suction. And thanks to the new iRobot Home app, your powerful cleaning partner is always ready to go. You can start, schedule, and monitor the 900 series from just about anywhere and anytime. Cleaner floors every day, all at the push of a button. The Roomba 900 series, the power to change the way you clean.